Germans are efficient.
We just call things by what it is.
Kummerspeck.
Kummer stands for sorrow.
Speck means bacon.
Grief bacon. It's when you're really sad, so you eat a lot of sweets.
Schildkröte.
Schild means shield. Kröte means toad.
It's a toad with a shield on top.
Very cute animal known as turtle.
I like protection frog.
Schnapsidee. That's a good one.
This whole game of yours is a Schnapsidee.
Schnaps means spirit. Idee means idea.
It is only a good idea when you're drunk.
Glühbirne.
Glüh means glow and Birne means pear.
Glow pear? A light bulb.
Zahnfleisch.
Zahn means tooth. Fleisch means meat.
It's just teeth meat.
That sounds gross.
It's just your gums.
Gum! Oh, you think that's more precise? I like to use words that describe exactly what they're doing.
They're very literal because we are very literal.